stupid driving.
The thing is, they're right away.
Somebody's not going to get too confident. Then when they get smacked, they won't do anything.
Exactly.
It's only a question of time. So that kind of driving is a question of time. Look, they get too confident. Look.
They get too late.
Dominate as well. Yeah, they get far too confident. Yeah, we haven't braked one, so we haven't had to accelerate one, so we're still behind her. And look, she bombed it.
Yeah. Braked.
So used a lot of fuel and then braked again using a lot of fuel. Look. Now where did she go?
I think they were dumped a lot.
Yeah.
Someone came out now.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh! Shit!
Oh, the wicked one, that one.
That was a good smack. One on footage. Should have done.
Yeah. Well, I reckon if we stay up our arse, we'll get her to do something dodgy.
Dangerous. That's dangerous driving.
That's proper dangerous driving.
6 points straight. Car.
We send that to Bill.
No, they got Napa with the driver, innit?
Yeah?
They got Napa driving it.
Sure?
Yeah. So if she got away now, if we're a copper chasing her, she got away. Next day, knock on the door, they're going to say, well, I left my car to so-and-so. Cops can't do shit.
Yeah.
She nearly smacked that one.
Yeah.
That's
If the guy had been looking right,
oh yeah, exactly.
you know, to make sure no cars coming and went, that's it. Head on.
Something wrong with that. Late for work, she's walking early.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So I can't be late for work, it's 10 o'clock, so I don't think by now many people go to work at this time. What do you think? Is Profusion Customs? I see she'll probably overtake that poor bloke now on the bridge and then do a head on with somebody else. Look, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, some crossing there. Look.
Oh, she's gonna hit him.
Oh my god.
Fuck up.
Oh my god.
Bitch, man, she legged it. You must chase her. I'll get off here. You go.
Yeah, I'll get the number.
Yeah, go on.
Go for one, take her. Police, please, urgent.
Why?
Yes, I'm following a vehicle, registration number. Has just run over a person and drove off, and I followed them and pulled them up. No, they're driving off again. Okay, I'm on South. You've just killed a man. Do you realise that?
I've not killed anyone.
You've not killed anyone? What are you on about? You've just run over somebody. Right, okay, police, can you up? That's in Southall, Middlesex. That's in Heston now. You're not driving off?
How have I run somebody over?
Sorry?
How have I run somebody over?
What do you mean, have you run? Okay, well, don't worry about that. We'll tell you in a minute. just wait there. You're not leaving anywhere.
I need to go to work.
You're not. Sod the bloody work. Hello.
What did I do? Did somebody come underneath me?
Sorry. Okay. Right. Thank you. Bye. Okay. You are not leaving anywhere. Okay. You're not leaving anywhere at all. You have to wait here until the police turn up.
I haven't done anything.
You have.
You came in front of me.
When?
What are you talking about?
You don't realise you person you've just run over.
Who have I run over? Nobody came in front of me.
Okay. Stop here.